bottle, bag next to it. Morning, sir.
Good morning.
Morning, sir.
Good morning. Alright, you got a place to put your bags. Over here, they give you this little water jug to fill with fresh water that's in the hallway. Alright. You got a fridge. Drawers. Let's look at the bathroom. They do give you some soap and shampoo. Shower's not bad. Okay, so that's the bathroom. There's the beds. The room is fairly small, but I mean, it did the job. Alright, and here you got, there's your safe. Stuff to hang up. You got an ironing board. They give you slippers, which I don't fucking wear. Alright, TV. Right, there's your Wi-Fi connection. On your on your key card is where they give you the password and the Wi-Fi. Alright, there's the mirror. Yeah, they give you a blow dryer that really you can't take too far, so the lighting's not fantastic here. Alright, anyway, so this is the room. In addition to that, here is your view. And this is right in the middle of Makati City. St. Giles Hotel. That's the Coro Hotel right across with a rooftop pool. That's the Oakwood with the pool that's down right above the lobby. Alright, so this is the room. TV. Nothing spectacular.